What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka samla Fidakini Kamar warna cut waku Jowai kala yok raya kena Miss Jowai teenager ka Sani El Paslen na kasnong modemai kalawan baar ne first runner up kat ba ka ritre haka dekhar na yong kalu kalawan haka kerdan balai second runner up. Ya kini kejinga kop tei bhabriu ka bala penlong haka sien ka basau da ka Arts and Culture Committee jong ka dorbash nong cut waku Jowai. Bat lawan penyeshim benta da ki khat arngut ki samla na ki benta boper jong katany ki bala pen i ya ki sab bat ki pong jong ki. Ka jinga kop kala kring ya ki babun bat lapan bernyaru da ki jingrua jingshat bat kaput katem.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.